Sir, you saw how the crowd was at the national event for the first time because Neeraj Chopra was a crowd puller. Will it something AFI will consider in future that maybe we can involve him more in such event, or it's better to keep him abroad?
So there are two things. The Indian crowd definitely wants Neeraj, but there is something called performance, and we have to balance between the two. So we will keep him abroad at most of the time, but we will bring him off and on. Like we said, he was to participate in the interstate, and which was in his own hometown, but it was clashing with, because soon after that he had to go for the Diamond League. So we told him, then you participate here, but nobody else has been given that because it's a Diamond League. Nobody else is participating in that Diamond League. So we have to balance both, but we can't sacrifice one for the other. We can't sacrifice his performance, we can't sacrifice his medal chances, we can't sacrifice India, we can't sacrifice the pride of India. So we have to balance these things.
How pleased you are to see the crowd today? They were cheering.
No, you should have seen the crowd during the Asian Championship.
That's
the
it.
whole stadium was full.
This is for the national event.
Yeah. No, we didn't get time to advertise this. Had we advertised, I'm telling you, more than half the stadium would be full. We have not advertised.
Good turner. And sir, since we are talking about interstate, sir, so I mean, so many of them have already qualified. Why is it so vital for them to come to interstate?
Because the qualifying period is 1 year. If you have qualified 8 months ago and you are completely unfit now, it doesn't make sense to go. We are not going there to participate. We are going there to fight and get our best performance, and if that best performance can get us a medal, so be it. So we are going for that. We are not going anymore to say, yaar blazer pehen liya, I'm going to Olympics, so I'm not going to win. Today everybody thinks that they have a chance to come to the final, to get a medal, to come in the top 6, to come in the top 8. None of us them are going to just come back last, like a lot of us in the past has happened. Now things are completely different. The mindset is different. Now they're not going there to just participate anymore.
So the performance of triple jumpers have dipped a bit. Is it something worrying you?
Nothing worries me. These are cycles. Things will go down, come up, go down, come up. These are cycles. Certain events they will go down. In certain events they will come up. These are all cycles. I mean, in the World Championship, you don't have a single German in the last 8 of the World Championships in javelin throw. At one time there were 4 people throwing 90 meters. So these are cycles. There's nothing to, these will keep happening. So there's nothing to be worried about.
Sure, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
They're natural cycles.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.